Today on my desk is LG G8 X Thin Q. So let's remove the back glass after heating up. Put some plastic and you can easily remove because it has some extra glue than Samsung. So let's remove the plastic plates on the both ends, and it is contain the wireless charger. So careful, don't rip that thing. So this is the two pieces you can easily detach from the first, and then you can do the later the other one. So the same is kind of same repair as the Samsung. It's contain the biggest speaker and everything. And oh, the battery is in middle of the home motherboard, and the screen connector is also in the middle of the home button. Oh, the one thing I was actually this is the last LG cell phone in the Canada. After that, LG are not making any more sets for the Canadian version. So let's disconnect the antenna, remove the like remove the SIM tray. Yeah, it has a SIM card. So let's put some soft knife and try to detach from the main machine, and it has the same charging port like the older Samsung has. So disconnect this thing carefully. Here we go. So detach the battery because it's not coming with the different screen. So I got the LCD which has a lot of component installed. Look at the biggest speaker, the earpiece, I mean. So I just put the motherboard on it. So looks everything on the right shape. So let's put the battery and connect to the motherboard and the biggest speaker and the main plastic bag actually, which has a wireless charger I said earlier. So let's put the all screw back and put the apply this adhesive tape, and let's peel off the this is a new bag, and let's peel off that thing. So here is a brand new bag. So let's properly align and install it. Please like and subscribe for the more videos. See you in the next video.